Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your tax forms from Coinbase wallet. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you need to provide your tax forms from Coinbase to your accountant. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that you're going to do is hop onto Coinbase. Once you're logged into Coinbase, on the upper left hand corner you want to click on the hamburger icon. Now once you're on this page here, you want to click on account and settings where it says your name, and then from here you want to scroll down to where it says taxes. Now there's multiple different forms that you could actually generate from Coinbase. You can see here that there's a documents tab that you can click on, and you could actually click on custom tax reports. So click on custom reports, and you can select the report type as such as a gain/loss report via PDF, CSV, or HTML file. And then you could also select the date range to be, let's say, 2024, and then click on download. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your tax form from Coinbase wallet. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.